Homeownership is the American dream for many, and it's a place to build memories and create a legacy that will hopefully last forever. But there's a whole other side to this story. With every home comes hidden costs, which, if you're not careful, can turn your pleasant dream of homeownership into a nightmare. So in this video, I'm going to show you some hidden costs of homeownerships that are bankrupting homeowners. It's happening. From rising interest rates to surprise repairs to ongoing maintenance and sneaky HOA fees, I'm going to reveal 6 major hidden costs that can turn your dream of a home into a financial burden. So whether you're already a homeowner or you're looking to buy a new house, this is the video that's for you. And if this is your first time here, I'm Jerry Pincus, your real estate expert with over 20 years of experience, and my team has helped well over 2,000 people move. And I'm here to help you to avoid those pitfalls that are costly, so give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. Number 1, rising homeowners insurance. Now in recent years, insurance costs have been skyrocketing, squeezing out the wallets of many homeowners. And today, in some cases, home insurance has turned from a necessary expense into a significant financial burden. Now this is because we've seen an increase in the scams and the natural disasters nationally. Now even though something happens in another state, it can still affect you where you live. Last year alone, insurance companies paid out over $100 billion due to catastrophic losses here in the United States. So just think about what's happening and this crazy inflation. The price of construction materials and skilled labor, it keeps going up, and it's all been rapidly climbing due to this inflation. Now, construction and repairs have become a lot more expensive, guys. And when it comes down to it, this results in a hefty payout for insurance companies. And insurance companies have raised their prices to sustain the insurance market. So what should you do? Well, before you get any house insurance, get quotes from multiple insurers. So that way you can see if you can find a better rate for the same exact coverage. So places like Costco offer their members some discounts on insurance, so you should check these options out as well. No matter what you do, make sure that you're not paying for any unnecessary coverage. Review your policy and see if there's any discounts available. Things like security systems or wind mitigation measures, they can give you a little discount. Number 2, property taxes. Now, in case you did not know this, real estate prices are going up, and this has also increased property taxes, which can be another hidden financial burden for some homeowners. Now, as property values go up, so does the estimated value, and this is used to calculate the property tax bill. So even if your tax rate remains the same, the higher assessed value means that larger tax bills will be coming your way as a homeowner. And this can be a challenge, especially if you've lived in your home for a long time and you've not seen a noticeable increase in your income. Now recently, AARP survey found that 62% of retirees cite rising property taxes as one of the major concerns for their financial security. Even this recent trend of escalating property taxes has turned out to be a nasty surprise for a lot of people. New homebuyers tend to ignore the future tax costs because property taxes increase in seemingly small percentages. But just like inflation, you only feel the sting when it increases year after year. However, property taxes are one of those constant costs that come with the territory. If the value of your property goes up, trust me, your taxes are going to go up as well. And these taxes will have a significant increase on the annual bill, especially when it's compounded over several years. Number 3, pest control. Now, depending on which state or area you live in, pest control expenses can be another hidden cost that can potentially take cash out of your wallet. Ants or insects like termites can silently invade your home, causing silent damage and may require expert intervention. Now, if your property has more trees or bushes nearby, it can also be prone to more pests. Now, trust me, nuisance wildlife in all kinds can cause serious damage to a property by chewing and building nests. I recently spent an unexpected $2,800 at my real estate office to eradicate a cute squirrel family and replace a chewed up HVAC system. Cute, maybe, but there's all kinds of unexpected expenses that go along with that. You should know that houses are prone to insects and require pest control more often. Now, if you live in a state like Florida, the fact is that all Florida residents will encounter pests. The question is what to do about them. Now, just realize that homeowners in these areas, they will need to think about pest control as part of a regular home maintenance plan. While you can prevent pests from infesting your home, often services of a professional are needed. Now, sometimes this is not a fixed cost and you can't calculate it beforehand. So the cost of pest control can vary according to several things. And this includes the type of pest, the severity of the infestation, and also the size of your property. So you want to make sure that you're fully aware of these issues and have proper plans to resolve them, and seal any entry points around your home for pests or other insects. Storing food items properly or having your foundation clear of debris can also prevent pests in the first place. The fourth hidden cost of homeownership that you should not ignore is property maintenance costs. While you might budget your mortgage and your property taxes, the infinite need for repairs and maintenance is limitless, and it's ongoing. Regardless of its age or size, every house requires regular maintenance to function properly, and you want to maintain its value for future sales, right? Now, older homes, they often require more repairs and they have higher maintenance costs because their systems and other components, they begin to wear out. And some of these unexpected expenses can eat your wallet. So learning basic home maintenance repairs and skills and doing the work yourself can save you a lot of money in this case. So for basic repairs, there's a ton of super helpful videos here on YouTube. Number 5, HOA fees. Now the fifth hidden cost that's hurting homeownership is those HOA fees. And this is a big one, guys. Now I have many videos here on my channel on how these HOAs are ruining affordable homes here in America, as well as how you can deal with your HOA. So after this video, go ahead and watch it if you haven't done so yet. Now, homeowners association fees might seem manageable at first, but they can increase year after year, which add up quickly, especially painful when combined with rising property taxes and insurance. Number 6, special assessment costs. Now, in addition to HOA fees, you may have some unexpected hidden costs that can surprise you. I mean, even if you're the most prepared homeowner. Now, homeowners associations sometimes impose special assessment tax for different types of repairs and projects and improvements in a community. Now, these fees are in addition to your regular HOA fees, and they are used to cover unexpected expenses like regular HOA reserve fees cannot handle. Now, this could include anything from completely repaving a community road or significant overhaul of clubhouse facilities, or if it's in a condominium, the roof or structural repairs and even replacement. Now, just be aware, if you live in a community that could have an infrastructure issue, such as the need to upgrade sewage system or repair a retaining wall, you could get an assessment. And if there's a major repair in the neighborhood, these costs will never be cheap for homeowners. These special assessment fees can range everything from a few $100s to several $100,000 for a homeowner. Now, to find out how you can deal with your HOAs in a neighborhood, make sure to watch the HOA videos on my channel. I mentioned here several ways that you can deal with your local HOA. These are only 6 hidden costs that can affect you as a homeowner, so you just want to be aware of these. But just remember, my real estate team is here to help you avoid the pitfalls that are costly. So if you're looking to buy or sell a property anywhere in the nation, I can hook you up with a local expert in your area. I'm Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts. My real estate team is here to help you find your hidden gem. Give us a call at 843-839-9870. And do me a favor, in the comments, tell me what hidden costs in your area that you've been struggling with. And until I see you in the next super helpful video, stay happy, stay educated, and I hope you're having a great day.